love sugar and spices. It's Jasmine, and this channel is all about food delicious things. So what are we making today? Luscious lemon curd with a twist. The twist is an exotic flavor, and I'm adding coconut milk to it, and instead of butter I'm adding coconut oil, so it's a little more healthy too. We do not add any sugar, but it still has the smoothness, the sweetness, and just this absolutely lovely, exotic, delicious flavor, which is perfect for spring and summer and perfect for any fillings, and it's just lovely. So if you like this recipe, give it a thumbs up, comment me below, subscribe, and let's get started.